Now this is the arrival of United Arab. It was founded in 1983. Arrived from the region of Federal Regiment. It was founded in 1983.
Samanı Parayı'nın kuatnya, wakil Sosial Swahili Arab Kembali, Samantanan Adibarankan, Adas Parayı'nda, Yanıl Kuatnya Bintha, Regiment Kuatnya Binthalı, Bilgi Baru Power Regiment Kuai, Bilgi Baru Power Regiment Kuatnya Radivin, İdri Kalankaran İmidi, Anushka Malubilin, Demakandi Avsaniydi, Regiment Seremiydi.